Okay, so when it comes to detailing and cheap microfiber towels, everybody recommends Costco. I mean, that's great if you live by a Costco, but me, I do not. I live in a pretty small town. So, Walmart. We all have a Walmart, right? If you don't, you're gonna have to order. But if you have a Walmart, do not be ashamed of getting AutoDrive detailer microfiber towels. They're cheap. They're freaking soft. I mean, they are. It don't get no better for the price. I tried the cheap Harbor Freight ones. I've ordered plenty of them. These are king. These AutoDrive right here. I'm serious. I've used them for everything, from applying a spray wax to wiping off polish. I've used it. Seriously, I love these. I have exterior, interior. They sell 100 packs. They have other options. I like these 24 packs. So 230 GSM, either yellow or blue. I mean, if you don't have a Costco, get these and you will not be disappointed. And look, I'm not selling you nothing because I don't make no commission. There's a link below, but it is not an affiliate link. This is not from Amazon. This is from Walmart. You can go there yourself and pick these up. I highly recommend it.